there are children who are growing there in the marine kingdom. So when they reach 25, 26, they come to the world.
They come back?
Yeah, they come to the world, but they cannot stay with us. They just go to Joburg or Pretoria. They need a place, a flat where they can stay. And afterwards, they need a job. The manager of that company will employ this one because they are all from Kingdom of Darkness. Because there are members there are people who are educated. They are managers, they are CEOs of big companies, but they are serving the devil. So they tell them, you are a CEO of this company, so you must employ this one. So they employ them spiritual. And then when she or he, this child who grew up in the kingdom, when he grows up, they take him straight to that company. He comes out from the ocean. Mermaids are sending her or him outside. Then he comes into this world. Then he walks like anybody because he's a human being, by the way. So he goes to that manager, that CEO. He employs the person, but the person will stay in a flat somewhere so that she or he has no relative.